This is a short video about the law of gravitation. The law of gravitation states that the force of attraction between any two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay? So this is the law. This is the law of gravitation. That is F is equal to G, capital G into M1 into M2 divided by D square, where D is the distance between the two objects. Now, gravitation is a weak force unless large masses are involved. Yes, okay, gravitation is a weak force unless large masses are involved, like the planets, Earth is one of the planets. The force of gravitation between the moon and the sun, moon and the earth, it is large one because the mass of the earth is very large and the mass of the moon is also very large. So the acceleration produced by the earth on the moon is is strong, and that is why the moon moves around the earth. Next, force of gravitation due to the earth is called gravity. Yes, force of gravitation due to earth is known as gravity. So gravity is the force with which the earth attracts anything towards its center. Next, force of gravitation due to earth is called gravity. Is okay. The force of gravity decreases with altitude. It also varies on the surface of the earth, decreases from poles to the equator. Yes, the distance of the two poles from the center is less than the distance between the 2 points on the equator and the center. Therefore, the force of gravity, okay, if you move from pole to uh, pole to the equator, it decreases because the distance of the distance of an object from the center increases. Therefore, the force of gravity decreases. Next, the weight of the body is the force with which the earth attracts it. Yes, weight is same as the force, and both weight and force have the same unit, Newton it is. So weight of an object is the mass into gravity of the earth. Weight W is equal to m into g, or the weight is equal to mass of the object into the gravity of the earth. The weight is equal to the product of the mass and the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, the weight may vary from place to place, but the mass stays constant. Mass does not change; it remains always constant. But the weight, okay, it varies from place to place because the value of g is not constant everywhere. Therefore, the weight varies from place to place. The value of g is great at the poles. On the earth I am talking, and it is less on the equator. Okay. Now, all objects experience a force of buoyancy, okay, when they are immersed in fluid. All objects experience a force of buoyancy, okay, when they are immersed in a fluid. Okay, what is buoyancy? Buoyancy is a force which is acting perpendicularly upward in a fluid. Okay, perpendicularly upward in a fluid, that is called buoyancy. Now, objects having density less than that of the liquid in which they are immersed float on the surface of the liquid. If the density of the object is more than the density of the liquid in which it is immersed, then it sinks in the liquid. Yes. and there's one more condition: when the density of the liquid is same as the density of the object, then it floats, okay, anywhere immersed in the liquid it is here. Okay, so these are all about the important things about the gravity chapter. It's okay. Okay, I think it will be useful to you. Watch it. Thank you.